Guys, there's Canva Glow Up, and if you love using Canva, guys, you have to try it out. So for the first 1 million users to, so if you're seeing this video, do it now. To activate Canva Glow Up, number 1, you have to look for your homepage. Tapos i-click mo tong For You, click it and tap it for like 5, 6, 7, 8 times. And then i-welcome ka to Canva Glow Up. So some of the new features of Canva Glow Up. So meron siyang try smart crop. So ito, parang i-crop yung image to just one click, tapos gaganda niya yung crop. Pak! O ganyan, ganda, diba? Meron rin siyang magic grab. So if you want to grab one photo from one to another photo, click mo lang yan. And then tuturuan ka, may instruction siya. So I will still explore it, pero na-excite na ako ngayon. For the first few clicks ko dito sa phone, when I'm editing photos, editing my projects sa Canva sa phone, guys, mas madali na siya. You can change fonts, medyo alam naman natin to, pero easier na now. Copy styles, animations, may new animation siya. And of course, definitely may AI siya. So you can click, you can make them create new photos. Basta guys, try it out. Nasa 588k ata ako. So try it out. Sobrang dali lang.